good morning, my sweethearts. Here is the teacher Nati, and today we have our math class. We are on Monday, 11th of May, 2020. It's the first day of the week, so we have to start. Come with me and count. Very good. Count with me by fives. So repeat with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. Very good. Nice job. I know that you count by five. So I have 5 fingers in one hand and 5 fingers in the other hand. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Very, very, very good. So now pay attention here, please. We are going to count by tens. Okay, I know that you can do it and you can count by tens. So repeat with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 at least. Very good. That's the way how to count by tens. Very good. Nice job. Now we're going to make your homework together, okay? So please go and take your board. Look at here. I have here my board. We have some dictation, okay? Some numbers that are going to dictate to you. So the first number, please, here, pay attention. The first number is 15. 15. Very good. The second number is 25. 25. Very good. The third number is 50. 50. Nice job. The fourth number is 55. 55. And the fifth number is 90. 90. Okay, so we are ready. You're ready with your homework. Please take a photo of your homework and send it to me, okay? I love you a lot. Bye-bye.